So I had someone on Instagram reach out and tell me she was experiencing some pain between her shoulder blades. And I didn't actually see her shoulders, but I'm pretty sure she's probably referring to the trapezius muscle, which covers such a large portion of your back, from the back of your skull all the way down to your rib cage. So big area. And I'd like to offer to you, Shannon, out there, a few things that you can try to maybe get some relief for that tightness or pain between your shoulder blades. I would start by taking some shoulder shrugs, up and down, and not just down to neutral, but see if you can lower them down. I would do that several times, moving slowly. Then I would take arms out, bend the elbows, rest your fingers, get your elbows maybe about shoulder height, see what feels good for you, and then open and close. You don't need to move this quickly. I'm doing that just for the sake of video. And then lastly, I would take some complete shoulder circles, but move slowly. So bring your shoulders up towards your ears, draw your shoulder blades towards one another, let them lower down, and then spread them apart. And basically what we're doing is combining the two movements that we just did. We did the shrugging and we did the opening and closing. Now we're just adding those together. So shoulders up, together, down, and apart. And then you can reverse the direction. Shannon, give those a try. Anyone else out there dealing with some tightness between the shoulder blades, give them a try. Let me know what you think.